Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing very well. Today I'll share with you this makeup look and I'll create this makeup look with the cheapest makeup products that I own. So let's begin. First I'm using the Biotic Saffron Youth Dew Moisturizer to moisturize my face. After the moisturizer, today I'll use the Colorfill Makeup Setting Spray as my primer. I'll spray the primer on my face and allow it to absorb into my skin for a few minutes. Once it is absorbed, I'll be using the Olivia Makeup Pan Stick. I'm in the shade 03 Natural as my base. The pan stick seems to be a bit of pink undertone for my skin, but don't worry, once I powder it, it'll match my skin color. I'll blend the foundation with a beauty blender. Once I finish blending, I'll define my eyebrows. I will be using an eyeshadow palette. I'll show it to you later on. From that eyeshadow palette, I'll use a dark brown shade to fill up my brows. I will use the same pan stick to clean my brows and I'll use it as my concealer as well. Now I am using the pressed powder from Miss Claire. The shade is 10 to set my face. I'll set wherever I have applied the concealer. I'm using the 3D contour balm stick from Mars to contour my face. And I'll contour my nose as well, my chin a little bit. And I'll blend everything well with the beauty blender again. I'm applying the rest of the powder on the puff on my face. Now I'm using the palette from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Rose in the Air. Taking the light brown shade, I'll define my crease. This will be my transition color. I'll apply the same color on my lid as well. Next, I'll take this dark brown shade and apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'll build up the color slowly. Next, taking the shimmery champagne shade from the same palette, I'll apply it with my finger on the lid of my eyes. I'll blend everything well. I'll deepen my outer corner a little bit. Using the same champagne shade, I'll highlight my brow bone. I'll apply the color on the inner corner of my eyes as well. Next, I am using the eyeliner from Cuffs and Lashes by Nidhi Katiyar, and I'll draw a wing liner. It's in the shade Peach. I'll curl my eyelash using an eyelash curler. Next, using Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara, I'll apply one or two coats of mascara on my eyelashes. This is a very good mascara. It gives volume as well as a good length to your eyelashes. Using the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal, I'll apply it on the both upper and lower waterline of my eyes. I'll smudge the kajal on the lower lash line using the same dark brown shade that I used on the outer corner of my eyes. For For bronzer today I'll be using the diamond blush from Blue Heavens. It's in the shade 505. It's very good as a bronzer for medium to dusky skin tone. Using the same Wet n Wild palette, I'll take the magenta shade from there and use it as a blush. These colors are very pigmented, so I'll have to use it with a light hand. Taking the same champagne shade that I used on my brow bone, I'll highlight my face. I'll apply it on the highest point of my face, on my cheeks, on the bridge of my nose, at my cupid's bow. I'm using the lip pencil from Miss Claire. It's in the shade 05. It's a nude lip pencil. The lipstick that I am using, it's a liquid lipstick from Mars. This is the cheapest lipstick that I own. I don't remember the shade. It's a very beautiful peachy nude color. And here is my final look, guys. If you like this look and if the tutorial is helpful for you, please like, share and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give lots and lots of love and lots of like to the video. Lots of love to all of you. Bye.